Hi, and thanks for stopping by wiserjoomla.com. My name is Chris, and I'm sort of the lead instructor for the Wiser Joomla video tutorial section. Now, we're very proud of this library of tutorials that we've put together over many months and hundreds of hours, because we know what your situation is. It goes a little something like this. Whether you're a business owner or a web developer or web designer, someone told you that Joomla is this extremely easy to use content management system. And they weren't lying. Joomla, compared to other CMS systems, is excellent, and it's very easy to use. But what we've found, and what I'm sure you're finding over the 5 years that we've been building and designing Joomla sites, is that the more complex and powerful that Joomla becomes as the architecture expands and as more and more third-party components become available that do extremely sophisticated things, the more the learning curve gets steeper and steeper. So our goal with our video tutorial library is to flatten out that learning curve for you. So what I'd like you to do is take a look at our free videos. In the basic Joomla section, we have a handful of free videos that you can watch and enjoy. You'll see that all of our videos are 5 to 10 minutes. This is so much better than reading the great big manual. We're not saying don't read books, but video learning is a really excellent way to see in real time, as I share my screen with you, how to go through and perform a lot of these operations that are day-to-day or very special within Joomla. And the thing about Wiser Joomla that makes our video tutorials special is that we cover all of Joomla. We don't just cover the basics. We cover the core. We also cover the admin section, but we also cover Joomla templates. How do you make a template look great? How do you work with the CSS? How do you work with different template clubs and their special systems? We also cover site promotion. How do you work with Facebook and integrate to Twitter and YouTube? How do you do syndication, both coming in and going out? We also cover SEO and monetization, because whether you're a business owner or whether you're working for a client, making money is very important. Getting seen on the web is extremely important. We cover these things in detail, and we give you all the best practices and all the tips and tricks. We also cover Joomla security. And here's the great thing. Not only do we cover the basics of Joomla on up through the most sophisticated and advanced areas of Joomla, we also cover the best third-party components, whether it's VirtueMart or Jom Social or Akajoom Newsletter or HWD Video Share. We have a series of videos for each of these components from the point of view of someone like yourself. The people that make these components, they often will offer some videos to help you learn their system, but we go a little further because we've been there really in the trenches, and we've used these components. We've built sites for moms and pops up to major corporations, and so we really have been around the bend, and we want to share this knowledge with you. Now, here's the greatest thing about Wiser Joomla. You can subscribe for $49. You get 90 days of subscription, and we add videos every week, so the learning never stops. And the other great thing is that we know, and you know, that we can't cover everything. There's no way that we can know exactly what kind of problem you're having at any given time. So we offer one-on-one support. And the way we do that is through Skype or video conferencing, and it's very affordable. If you're in a situation where you're banging your head against the wall and you can't figure something out, you can schedule time with us. We'll do screen sharing, we'll do video conferencing, and we'll help you solve the problem. And it's very affordable because you can book as little as a half an hour or an hour or as much time as you need to solve that problem, and that way you can just move on and get over the hump. So we hope you'll try our free videos right now. Take a look at them, and if you like them, go ahead and subscribe for your 90-day subscription and watch the system grow, and you can learn with us, and we'll keep sharing our knowledge.